past perfect tense. The identification of past perfect tense is वाक्य के अंत में जहां पर आ था, ए थे, ई थी या फिर चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी आए, वो वाक्य पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का होता है। जैसे मैंने खाना खा लिया था, उसने गाना, वह गाना गा चुकी थी, वे दिल्ली पहुंच चुके थे। आ था, ई थी, ए थे। These all sentences are the past perfect sentences. Now come to the formation of how to form a sentence. How to make a sentence. To make sentences. In this, we will use had in place of has or have. Subject, then we use a had with the third form of verb, then object. For example, वे दिल्ली पहुंच चुके थे। They had reached Delhi. Reached is the third form of reach. Reached. Second with interrogative. In interrogative, we use only not with all these words. Subject, then had, then not, then verb third form, then object. For example, उन्होंने घड़ी नहीं चुराई थी। They had not stolen the watch. This is the formation of sentence with the negative sense. then interrogative. In interrogative, we use head first, then subject, then verb third form, then object. For example, क्या उन्होंने खाना खा लिया था? Had they eaten food? या फिर क्या वो खाना खा चुके थे? Then the similar translation of the sentence. Had they eaten the food? Now interrogative negative. In an interrogative negative, we use hadn't, or we can say had, not, plus subject, then third form of verb, then object. For example, क्या उन्होंने झगड़ा नहीं किया था? Hadn't they quarreled? क्या उन्होंने झगड़ा नहीं किया था? Hadn't they quarreled? Now come to the WH words. In WH, we start with WH, then head, then subject, then verb third form, then object. In this, for example, वो स्कूल कब गए थे? When had they went to school? वो स्कूल कब गए थे? When had they went gone, not a went. Went is the second form. When had they gone to the school? Last one is WH with interrogative negative. For this we use WH word first, then had not, then subject, then verb third form, then object. उसने खाना क्यों Why hadn't he eaten the food? With this, we have completed past perfect tense. We use the simplest example so that you can understand easily. You should practice with the easy sentence for a week. Then you move for long sentences so that you can move forward confidently. We will meet with next video with next sentence. That will be past perfect continuous tense. Thank you.